Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best buffer pads is probably one of the most essential tools for any car enthusiast or detailer looking to achieve a flawless finish. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, choosing the right buffer pads can make a world of difference in your results. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of buffer pads, exploring different types, materials, and how to select the perfect ones for your specific needs. Number 5. 3-inch Drill Buffing Pad Kit. Introducing the 3-inch Drill Buffing Pad Kit. This kit includes everything you need for car polishing, waxing, and sealing glaze. It's designed to make your car shine. This kit is perfect for professional use. Different colored sponges have different softness to meet all your needs. It's suitable for various polishing tasks. The pads are thicker and made of high-quality materials. They are bendable, washable, and reusable. The woolen pad provides excellent cleaning and polishing capabilities. The self-adhesive design makes it easy to use. You can quickly change the pads in seconds. The strong adhesive ensures repeated use. The kit features soft and fine workmanship, ensuring it won't damage the surface. It efficiently cuts and polishes, removing oxidation and scratches. It's a great tool to have. What we like. This kit offers a variety of pads for different tasks. It's designed for professional use, ensuring a high-quality finish. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit to handle various polishing, waxing, and sealing tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. This thing attaches to any common drill and does the job. Pads attach very well to the disc and it does surprisingly good job. The pads are easy to attach to my drill, and they work well for buffing out small areas and giving surfaces a nice shine. Number 4. TCP Global 3 Mini Buffing and Polishing Pad Kit. This complete system is designed for professional results. It includes everything you need to polish a variety of coatings. It's a great choice for anyone looking to achieve a high-quality finish. All pads feature a grip, hook and loop, attachment for easy and secure use. This makes it simple to switch between pads as needed. The system is designed for efficiency and convenience. The kit comes with both foam and wool grip pads. This variety allows you to tackle different tasks, from cutting through oxidation to polishing for a brilliant shine. This ensures you have the right tool for the job. It includes a backing plate with standard threads and a drill adapter. This allows you to use it with various tools, including drills and grinders. It offers flexibility and ease of use. This system can cut and buff even the most difficult coatings and scratches. It polishes the finish to bring out the highest level of shine. You'll be amazed by the results. The foam pads are made with open cell foam, which improves airflow. This reduces polisher chatter, making the polishing action smoother. It provides a better user experience. The pads have a recessed backing with curved edges. This prevents contact between the backing plate and the surface. You can buff and polish in tight spaces with ease. What we like. This kit provides a complete system for polishing. The durable foam pads enhance airflow for smoother action. If you need to work in tight spaces, this kit's design allows you to reach those difficult areas, making it perfect for detailed work. What people say. Work like a charm. Used mother's mag and aluminum polish. They are great for polishing out small areas. The best thing about them is that the edges of the pads cover the Velcro adapter completely so you will not scratch your finish. I found that my cordless drill wasn't powerful enough to push the foam polishing pads, so I used the corded drill with excellent results. The wool pads were used on the alloy wheels and did a remarkable job also. The Velcro hook and loop backing and the quality of the pads are very good. Number 3. SIQUK 13 Pieces 6-inch Car Polishing Pad Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for car polishing. It features various pads and bonnets designed to tackle different tasks, ensuring a thorough and professional finish. It's a complete solution for your car care needs. The kit contains a variety of pads, including sponge polishing pads, a woolen buffing pad, and microfiber pads. These different types of pads allow you to address different polishing needs. They are designed to work with both electric and pneumatic polishers. Included is a microfiber fast finishing pad, perfect for removing wax. This pad is made of high-quality microfiber, ensuring a clean and tidy finish. It helps to efficiently remove wax, leaving your car looking its best. The kit also includes blue and white polishing bonnets. The blue bonnets are made of high-density microfiber to absorb dust. The white bonnets use high-quality synthetic fleece for increased water absorption. With different color sponges of varying softness, this kit meets diverse polishing requirements. It's suitable for both rough and small areas. The pads are efficient at cutting and polishing, even on difficult car oxidation coatings and scratches. These buffing pads are bendable, washable, and reusable. Make sure the pads are clean and free of particles before use. Clean them immediately after use and let them air dry in a cool place to maintain their quality. What we like. This kit includes microfiber bonnets for wax removal. The different colored sponges with different softness meet your different polishing needs. If you like to keep your car clean and tidy, this kit is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The pads worked great for polishing my car. The hook and loop system made it easy to switch pads. I was able to get a swirl-free finish on my car. Number 2. SIQUK 3-inch Buffing Pads Kit. This kit includes 6 foam polishing pads in 2 shapes, a woolen buffing pad, a drill adapter, and a hook and loop pad. It's a comprehensive set designed to meet all your car polishing needs. With this, you'll have everything you need to get started. The kit features both flat and wave sponge polishing pads. Different colors represent different softness levels, allowing for various polishing tasks. These pads are designed to tackle everything from coarse to fine polishing, ensuring a perfect finish. These 3-inch hook and loop buffing pads are perfect for waxing and polishing all types of car paint. They help clean and enhance the shine of your car's surface. It's an efficient way to detail your car. The car polishing pads come in different colors, each with varying softness levels. This allows you to address different polishing needs, especially in rough or small areas. It's suitable for use with both pneumatic and electric polishing machines, effectively cutting and polishing to remove scratches. These buffing pads are bendable, washable, and reusable. Ensure the pads are clean and free of particles before use. Clean the pads immediately after use and let them air dry in a cool place. This will help extend their life. What we like. This kit offers both flat and wave sponge polishing pads. It's easy to use and suitable for various coat paints. If you are looking for a versatile and efficient solution for polishing, this kit will meet your needs. What people say. Designed for use with a drill, these 6-inch foam polishing pads help you effortlessly buff and polish your car's surface to a high shine. They held up so well I should be able to reuse them for another project, but at the low cost threshold, even if they hadn't held up as well as they did, I would have bought them again. Ideal for a small DIY job on your car using a standard drill. Number 1. Buffing Pads for Drill 22 PCS Car Polishing Kit. This kit includes 16 sponge polishing pads, 2 woolen buffer pads, 2 drill adapters, and 2 suction cups. It's designed to help you achieve a professional finish on your car. You'll have everything you need to get started. The waffle-shaped design enhances the pad's effectiveness. This design improves surface contact, reduces heat, and holds wax better. It makes polishing smoother and more efficient. The sponge pads are made with durable, open-cell foam. This improves airflow and makes them bendable, washable, and reusable. They are perfect for various polishing tasks. Different colors represent different softness levels. This allows you to meet all your polishing needs. It's suitable for both rough and small areas. This drill buffer attachment is widely used for car detailing. It's great for waxing, polishing, and sealing. It efficiently cuts and polishes even the toughest scratches, giving your car a great surface. What we like. This kit has a waffle-shaped design that improves pad contact. The sponge pads are made with durable open-cell foam. If you want a kit that delivers smoother polishing action and holds the polish wax better, this is the one for you. What people say. The pads worked great for polishing the car. The hook and loop system worked perfectly and made it easy to switch pads. They worked great for polishing the car. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.